Next weather chief meteorologist Ivan Cabrera is here. Why are they always golf ball size? Right?
Yeah, golf balls made of ice coming down on your windshield.
Yeah,
a lot of people on the phone or maybe on the app with their windshield repair. That is something. Of course, up there's cold enough air in the mid-levels where you get those really strong updrafts. They just kind of hover there and then they come down, sometimes even bigger than that, as we know. We could use some rainfall here, not so much that we needed for the bucket, but we need it to cool off, and it's not going to happen anytime soon here. 87 is where we're sitting, but the humidity still makes it feel like the 90s. We were in the triple digits earlier today, still sitting at 90 degrees there in Fort Lauderdale. You hit 94 this afternoon. That was enough to tie the record, and we're going to be talking about breaking records for the next few days. In fact, the records are in danger from tomorrow through the weekend. This is not going to let up. We are in it now with triple digits there. Key West feeling like 106. At least we're acclimating slowly. It's just going to take a while for the body to get used to it, and I don't think enough time where you're going to be able to spend the whole day outdoors without taking care of yourself. Radar and clouds, just not much shade and not much rain at all, with high pressure still and this southerly wind bringing us all sorts of humidity. Lots of action up to the north here as far south as central Florida, but that's about where the end of the precip is. We've got this frontal boundary that's been bringing some heavy rain to folks across the north, but we just get stuck here with sunshine and the oppressive humidity. This is, midsummer humidity, midsummer temperatures here, but we don't have the midsummer cooling thunderstorms either. A couple of showers possible over the next couple of days, and I think some better rain chances upcoming here. So we're still looking at a heat-related risk that was high today as far as major, and now we're getting into extreme heading into tomorrow, and the colors just continue here day in and day out. So this is going to be a prolonged event across the southeastern U.S. So there's the boundary up to the north. We stay on this pocket of very hot temperatures south to eventually southwesterly winds at the lowest levels. That brings us about the warmest temperatures we get, and that's what we have going. Some isolated thunderstorms towards the end of the week. I'll show you that on Rain Tracker. So a little bit of relief in the afternoons for some of us. Just not going to be anything widespread. That stays up to the north, although much better rain chances. You see that in the 7-day forecast as we head through the early part of next week. Moderate risk for rip currents out there. 1 to 2 foot waves are breaking. Small craft advisory as the winds have picked up. And then we have for the Florida Keys no alerts as of yet. And we'll likely get a heat advisory tomorrow from the Weather Service. We're going to hit mid-90s. That'll be enough for records. And the triple digits are going to continue with us. And this is estimated by the models here. But the potential is there for some of us to crack 105 to 108. That's why I think it is certainly going to be dangerous to be outdoors for a prolonged time. There is the extended forecast. Mid-90s continues through the weekend, but notice what happens next week. Temperatures are coming down as rain chances going up, and it looks like we're going to kickstart our wet season here with daily afternoon thunderstorms as early as late this weekend and early next week.